In this video, you're gonna learn how to make one slice of bread using Blender in just 60 seconds. And I use the bread we make in this video in a game I made called Bread Battles. You can play my game and download this asset for free using the link in the description. So let's get started. First, download Blender if you don't have it. It's free and open source. Then open Blender and start a new file. We're going to create a cube mesh and then scale it down on the Z-axis to flatten it like a slice of bread. And then we are going to start adding loop cuts to add more points. Then start turning the cube into the general shape of the bread. Then we will select the faces at the top and bottom and inset the faces of the bread. This will create the crust, which makes it look like an actual slice of bread. Then we will create two materials, a light yellowish color for the inside face of the bread, and then the dark brownish color for the crust. And congrats, you've created a slice of bread using Blender. Remember that you could download this bread slice asset for free right now, using the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. It will tell the YouTube algorithm that I exist, and comment down below what I should make next. You should check out the Bread Battles game I made. I'm gonna update it in the coming days, and your feedback is super important. Thanks for watching, and see ya.